Are you trying to figure out how to get a product's enabled or disabled status in Magento 2.1.5? You're in the right place. Today, we will walk through the steps to achieve this programmatically. I completely understand how crucial it is to know whether a product is enabled or disabled, especially when managing an online store. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this challenge. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I get the product's enabled or disabled status programmatically in Magento 2.1.5? They already have the product instance, but they need help with the status. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what do we need to know? In Magento, each product has a status attribute that indicates whether it is enabled or disabled. We'll show you how to access this attribute using the product instance you already have. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you streamline your product management even further. To get the product's enabled or disabled status programmatically, the user can utilize the product instance they already have. First, they need to access the product status using the getStatus method. Next, the user should check if the product is enabled or disabled. In Magento, a status of 1 typically means the product is enabled, while a status of 2 means it is disabled. Additionally, the user may want to combine this status check with stock information. This way, they can determine if the product is both enabled and in stock. Finally, the user can implement this logic within their Magento module or script to ensure they are accurately retrieving the product's status. Fun fact, did you know that Magento powers over 200,000 online stores worldwide? It's a powerful platform, and knowing how to manage products effectively is key to success. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user involves checking the core Magento code. They point out that the product status is defined as enabled equals 1 and disabled equals 2. This user emphasizes the importance of using the core definitions provided by Magento, specifically from version 2.3.0. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always ensure you have the latest version of Magento. Updates often include important fixes and improvements that can enhance your product management experience. And there you have it. You now know how to get a product's enabled or disabled status programmatically in Magento 2.1.5. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Magento development.